So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to fix Outlook app crashing on Android. So guys, if you're facing such type of issues that your Outlook app is crashing on the Android, so you just follow this video to troubleshoot this issue. First thing is guys, you restart your phone. Sometimes temporary system glitches can cause this error. Okay, for this simply swipe down and guys here you see the option of power button. So you just click it and restart your device. Okay, then guys, you move to the another step, which is force stop your Outlook application. So guys, for force stop your Outlook application, you simply go and choose your Outlook application, then go to the app info. After that, guys, here you see the option of force stop. Okay. Then guys, you move to the another step, which is clear your Outlook caches. For clearing the Outlook caches, simply go to your Outlook app, long press on it, app info. After that, you simply go to the option of storage and caches, and here you simply click on clear caches. Okay, then guys, you update your Outlook app. For updating the Outlook app, simply go Play Store, search, and go to the Outlook mail, and here it instead of open, if it is show update, so guys, kindly install it. Then guys, check the phone storage. Low storage can cause the app to freeze or crash. It required 1 to 2 GB free space to run smoothly. Okay, so you delete unused app, delete large file and clear your junk files. Okay, so these are the basic things that you can done and still having the issue. So guys, last thing, you try to disable your battery optimization for your Outlook. Battery saver maybe stop your Outlook process, so you just stop your battery saver and try to optimize your battery. Okay, so these are the basic things that you can done to fix this issue. And guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys, subscribe our YouTube channel for the further information.